Hello, welcome to my video. We will go to fiverr.com because our today tutorial is about making about $1,200 per month easily from Fiverr. I will show you step by step. So first of all, write Facebook ads in Fiverr search. I'm not going to tell you to make Facebook ads. You don't need any type of skills, guys. This method is for people who even don't know how ads work or anything. This method is unique, guys. Stay tuned to this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and you can look, there are a lot of different gigs. I will open up this one because this is our uh, so look at this. I will write engaging Facebook and add copy that says like crazy. So he had 6 orders in queue and he's charging for starter for $40, and then second package for 85 and 105. So guys, you will be creating a gig that says like you will be writing an ad copy. No, you are not. You will not write ad copy. You don't need to write any ad copy. I will show you how you can use a method that will make ad copy for you. So first of all, let's calculate the potential of this method. 411 is multiplied by 40 is equal to 16440, means this much, guys. He is making. And there is another gig, you can see 4 order in queue, and this girl is also making a lot of money from this. And I will show you in this method. You can utilize this method without writing even a single word. You can earn almost half of the money. For example, he is earning 5,380, and you can earn 5,000 or you can earn 3,000. It depends upon you. The method I am showing in this video is you will outsource all this from Fiverr. So this person is has 2 days delivery, and he started in May 2020, guys. Even in a 6 month, he had gone to this much height and this much success, and this is very hot in demand gig. So it will sell like crazy. So now I will show you how you can outsource this gig from Fiverr. Yes, use here, right? We will be write copyright. What is copyright? People need says copy, email copy, and it's almost same thing of there. Like this one, I will write engaging ad copy, sales copy, email copy. So we will be hiring, once we get an order we will hire this person or any. I will show you, like this one will write Shopify product description. And if, for example, if we had a person who say we to write an ad copy on Shopify. So here you can see, wait, you can see, listen, you can, he had a 4 order in queue and only $5, guys. Ad copy, look, he is right, she is writing ad copy for only $5. And uh, and this one is then look, another gig. You can see I will create sales ad and website copywriting, and she is charging $10. So guys, you can outsource for $10 or $5, and these all are people who are credible and they have a lot of positive reviews. Mean, you will have a quality work for your gig, and you will not get any negative review. it's guaranteed, because these all people having positive reviews and they are not going to ruin their efforts. So they will write magnificent and excellent ad copy for you, and you will sell those for a Facebook ad copy. You can talk with these people and say them like, I need an ad copy, social media ad copy, and this is same and almost same thing. So even having if even if you sell for $30, you can easily make $20 per gig order. So this is an amazing idea, guys. If you apply this, it will surely make you $1,000 per month easily. And you can also write it by yourself. I will link free resources in the description for you to learn about writing ad copy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.